We all want financial peace. No more money worries, no more stress about bills. How do we get there? It's not always about making more money, it's about understanding your money. It's about making smart choices. This is where financial wisdom comes in. Let's learn how to win with money. Morgan Housel wrote a great book, The Psychology of Money. It's not just a book about money, it's about how we about money. Our emotions impact our money decisions. Think about it. Have you ever bought something because you were feeling down, or avoided checking your bank account because you were scared? We've all been there. You don't have to be a genius to be good with money. It's more about behavior than intelligence. It's about making a plan and sticking to it. That means saving money regularly. It means avoiding debt. It means living below your means. These habits lead to financial success over time. Saving is crucial. It's your safety net. It helps you sleep better at night. Start small if you have to. Every little bit counts. Compounding is a powerful tool. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Set realistic financial goals. You don't need to be a millionaire. Focus on what's important to you. Know yourself. Understand your money habits. With a little effort, you can achieve financial peace of mind.